Hi guys, it's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can delete a YouTube channel in 2021. So this is the most up-to-date method as of filming. If you find this helpful, drop a like and leave a comment below, and also consider subscribing to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So what we need to do is come across to our YouTube channel, and I won't be deleting this one today, my digital tutor. What I'm going to do is show you a old channel that I created many moons ago. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and log into that channel now. I've just switched to that channel. Okay, so to actually delete this channel, what you need to do is come and click on your icon in the top right hand corner, and then you want to come down to settings, and once you come to this page, just under your profile icon you've got a couple of options, and you need to click on the third one down here which says view advanced settings. And then from this page, all you need to do is scroll down, and you'll see at the bottom there is the option there to delete channel. This is not going to close your Google account. So because your YouTube channel is created under your Google account, what's going to happen, it's just going to delete your YouTube channel. Your Google account won't be affected. So if it's a brand channel or if it's your actual main channel, don't worry, it's just going to literally delete your YouTube, not your actual Google account. So all you need to do is click the blue button here, delete channel. And what it's going to do, it's just going to ask you to pop your password in, just to verify that it's you wanting to delete your channel. And what it's going to do, it's going to give you two options: hide or delete your content from YouTube. So if you click, you've got the two options down here, and if you click the drop down arrow next to one of the options, it's just going to summarize basically what each one's going to do. So if you click I want to hide my content, what's going to happen, it's going to hide your YouTube videos and playlists. And then all you need to do is click the box here to say that you understand that the following will not be hidden, which is your channel art and icon, your likes and subscriptions, your channel name and channel page. That's one option you've got available. Obviously in this tutorial we're going to be looking at how to permanently delete your account. So we're going to go ahead and click the drop down box down here, and it's going to say this will permanently delete the YouTube data associated with ... my old channel. Select all of the following to confirm that you understand. So again, it's just a quick checkbox to tick to say that you understand that the following will be permanently deleted, which involves comments that you made on YouTube, your replies and thumbs up on comments, your messages, your search and watch history. So what this does, it doesn't only delete your channel, it actually deletes if you've commented on any videos, if you've put any thumbs up on comments, and anything like that at all, it's going to delete as well. If you're happy to go ahead, all you need to do is make sure the box is ticked and go ahead and click on the delete my content button down here. And it's just going to come up with a quick message just saying what's going to happen, just confirming, and just to let you guys know that the data can't be restored. Once it's deleted permanently. And if you're happy to go ahead, all you need to do is literally type your channel name in here. So it's going to have your channel name here, and you just need to type it exactly as it appears It will be in brackets. Don't type the brackets, you don't have to worry about that. Just type the name of the channel down here and go ahead and click here where it says delete my content. And it's just going to come up with a message saying your content is being deleted. Your content is in the process of being permanently deleted. Usually it takes a few minutes, but it can take up to a couple of days if you have lower content. So depending on how big your channel is, if you've got any videos, how many videos, things like that is going to affect how quickly your channel is deleted. But for most channels, it normally only takes a few minutes if they're only small and you've only got, a couple of videos up. So I hope you found that helpful. If you did, drop a like and a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials.